Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see exotic vegetable pizza right from the start, making the base, wheat base, along with the assembling. We are going to see through this video. Before we go into the video, let me first welcome everyone to Lato's Kitchen. Are you first time visitor here? Not to forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, leave a like. Any questions, do write in to us in the comment section. Yes, today the recipe is exotic veggies and mushroom pizza. Let's get started. Take lukewarm water, a spoonful of sugar, mix it well, then add in dry yeast, 1 tablespoon for 2 cups of flour. If you are using instant, make it half tablespoon. I am using dry. Whisking it well and setting it for 10 minutes for it to proof. After 10 minutes you will see this bubbles, which means it is proof. If not, discard and you can make new yeast. I am adding 1 cup of wheat flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour, maida, tablespoon of salt, also some Italian herbs like basil, parsley. Oregano works very well. When you even make the base, you can add some which will give a nice flavor to the base too. Mix all well first and then use your hands to knead the dough. Knead the dough for at least 10 minutes initially till it is nice and soft. If you are using stand mixer, it works it for you. But if you are using hand, mix it for 10 minutes initially and then make it like a bun and cover it with a damp wet cloth. Let it sit for at least 1 to 1.5 hours. After, even 2 hours also good. You will see it's proofed very well. You can apply a nice oil so that the cloth will not stick onto it. And after 2 hours, you can either do it on the floor or nice clean floor, or you can use a wider plate like this. Apply oil on your hand as well on the plate and transfer the dough onto this and knead it for at least 30 to 35 minutes. By stretching this way. Yes, it's a good workout for your hands and shoulder. You need to knead it for at least 30 minutes till you see the dough turns elastic, not sticky. You could achieve it by keep on kneading the dough like this towards the end. Till then it will be sticky. Apply little oil. As in when you find it little sticky while kneading the dough, then it comes out well. Do that for 30 minutes. Then your dough is almost ready to be used. You can add a tablespoon of butter at this stage while kneading the dough, which will give a more softness to the base. Or even you can add olive oil, extra virgin olive oil at this stage. You can see now it is elastic. You could stretch it. Now I'm rolling like this, like a bun, and I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes, not more than that, by covering it with a damp wet cloth. After 10 minutes, you can remove the damp wet cloth and you can take the dough. It's very nice and soft. I'm going to divide this into two because I find the dough is little too much for one pizza. So divide this into two and take one portion and ensure your baking tray is nicely greased with butter and dusted with flour. Make it into a shape. You can just stretch it by using your fingers like this. Yeah, preferable round shape. Once it is shaped the size that you want, you can stretch it that much and assemble it with assorted veggies like colored capsicum, mushroom, baby corns, whatever you feel like. But today I'm using some broccolis, mushrooms, spring onions, tomatoes, olives. I'm using pizza sauce. You can as well use tomato sauce. Spread it, then assemble the veggies. Yes, it is lockdown time, so the entire family is in the making of pizza. You can see that my little one is arranging the mushrooms and has been just filming this video, and I'm helping my little one. So once you arrange this, grate some cheese, bake it in an oven at 200 degrees, preheat it for 10 minutes, then bake it for 30 minutes. Then your exotic wheat-based pizza is ready. If you don't have an oven, I'm not sure how far you will get this in kadai, but you can give it a try. Yes, once you grate the cheese, again add some herbs. First, when you're making it in kadai, first cook the base for half, then take it out, then start assembling the vegetables and the sauces and the Italian herbs. Then cook it if you're using kadai method. But in oven, preheat 10 minutes and then bake it at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Your exotic veg pizza is ready. Here you go. It tasted too good. I hope you're gonna give this recipe a try, and do let me know how you liked it, and any questions do write into us in the comment section. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for tuning into Latu's Kitchen.